For today's at-home experiment, we are going to make our very own lava lamp using the power of density. Now remember, all kid scientists need a grown-up's approval. So for this one, you need a little bit of water, a glass like this, some vegetable oil, salt, and to go with the theme of the day, we have some phosphorescent powder and a UV light because we want to make our lava lamp glow. So the first thing you want to do is fill your glass most of the way with water. And then you want to add your vegetable oil. So if we watch what happens here, watch closely, because the vegetable oil is rising to the top. That's because vegetable oil is less dense than water. It's lighter than water, so it rises to the top. Now to start our lava lamp effect, we have some salt here. Salt is heavier than water, so it's gonna wanna fall to the bottom. So when I add it here, you can see what happens. It's grabbing onto the molecules in the oil and taking down some of that oil with it. But once it gets down to the bottom, the salt dissolves in water, and you can see the oil starts rising to the top again. And we're seeing that same effect that we had before. But we wanna make it glow, right? So let's add some phosphorescent powder. And we're gonna make this glow really bright orange. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, so now all we need is our UV light so we can see this glow in action. Oh, look at that, that worked so well. And the fun part about this is that you can just do this again and again. And look at that. Look how cool that is. That is how you make your very own glowing lava lamp.